Hello! This video will show you the steps involved with customizing the product detail page in the e-commerce shop using the eCommerce admin. The product detail page displays the information entered in the corporate office inventory setup. You can customize what appears in the shop's product detail page. This involves turning toggles on or off to your preference in the product details drop-down of the settings page, and adding strings in the localization page. Let's get started by logging in to the eCommerce admin. The main features that can be enabled and customized for the product detail page are the social links toggle and auto ship description string. Social links display the Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest icons under the product image. To enable them, go to the Settings page under the Company Settings section. Click the Product Details drop-down to expand the customizable options for the page. Click the Social Share toggle on or off to your preference. When complete, press the Save button. For products with AutoShip enabled, there's also an expandable AutoShip description under the Product Details section. To add the AutoShip description, you'll need to add a string to the system and enter a description in the text value field. Navigate to the localization page under the Content Management section. Click the Add New button. In the pop-up, click the Select Application drop-down and select Retail. Enter the string name in the Key field. In the Text Value field, enter the text that will display in the e-commerce shop. Once complete, click the Save button. For changes to be visible now, click the Clear Cache button. As a note, some string changes can take a while to take effect. Clearing your browser cache can be effective, or you can check back later when the system's cache clears automatically. You can also modify the subscription details dropdown that expands the AutoShip description, or the text "Share this" that displays when the social links toggle is enabled. This is done by typing the string for the subscription details dropdown, or for the social links toggle into the search bar. Press the Edit button and add your preferred text into the text value field. Once complete, click the Save button, and then the Clear Cache button. Let's view the product detail page customizations on an associate's e-commerce shop. If you happen to have an e-commerce shop page open for testing at the time that changes were made, and notice the changes haven't occurred immediately, simply refresh the e-commerce shop page. You now know how to customize the product detail page in the e-commerce shop using the eCommerce admin. For more in-depth videos, tutorials, and how-to guides, visit the Help Center at help.directscale.com. And thanks for watching.